Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Action Center not opening problem on Windows 11. Is the Action Center not opening on your Windows 11 PC? Don't worry. This can be rather frustrating, especially if you rely on it for quick access to notifications and system settings. Fortunately, there are some pretty handy ways to fix this annoying problem and restore the full functionality of the Action Center. That said, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to restart the Windows Explorer on your PC. Note that restarting Windows Explorer can let you refresh the system UI and fix temporary glitches. Therefore, give it a try first off. To do so, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys at once to launch the Task Manager on your PC. And then you have to hit the Processes tab located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to search for Windows Explorer, and then you have to right click on it and choose the restart option in the menu. And then you have to find out whether or not the Action Center has started to open and work without any glitches. After that, I will recommend you to re-register the Action Center on your PC. It's worth pointing out that re-registering the Action Center can let you fix missing or even unresponsive UI elements. Therefore, it deserves to be given a try. To do so, you have to launch PowerShell as an administrator on your PC, and then you have to run this following command. And after that, you have to restart your PC and check if the Action Center has started to open. Hopefully, it will start working without any problem at all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.